Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can take pictures with hand gestures on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our camera application, and after we have our camera application opened, we can go to the camera setting. Click on the settings icon on the top left, and here you have to go to the shooting methods. In the shooting methods, you have to activate the show palm feature so you can show your palm to the camera to take selfies or start recording selfie videos. Just you can click on this button to activate this show palm feature, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. We don't need to press this button to take the picture. We just need to show our palm like this. Wait guys. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. So this is the result. I'm sorry, it's blur. Alright guys, and that's how we can take pictures with hand gestures on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.